Yo guys, GM Hayes speaking. Today we will be looking into base because it seems like the bull market for alts is here, at least for a short time on base. So what's the start? Why are we experiencing some AI agents on base exploding? Maybe you have heard about Clawdbot. Clawdbot is the new big innovation in tech right now. Okay? So, AI agents, autonomous bots that can trade, launch tokens, message you, and actually do things on chain. So, what sparked this movement? Base has always been good for AI agents, lots of builders there. But the spark was Cloud from Anthropic, the tech, and viral Clawdbot, now called OpenClaw or Moltbot movement. So today I'll be breaking down why the narrative is heating up and showing you the biggest runners I'm watching on DexScreener. Okay, so let's dive in. Clawdbot started as an open source AI assistant powered by Cloud. It doesn't just answer questions, it proactively messages you, manages tasks, and runs 24/7. People went crazy for it. So this energy has moved on chain, and people are really hyped up. Stripe added X402 payments. Coinbase, as you can see, this tweet has prepared a wallet for agents. So agents can have their own wallets and trade. They can send funds between each other, and many more things like you through USDC on base. So they give programmable spending policies, non-custodial identity, and secure permissioned execution. Means now AI agents, like I said, they can actually interact and manage financial tasks. So now we have a full ecosystem of AI agent tokens exploding on base. So don't miss this, guys. I'll drop a few which I'm looking at. So Malt was one of the first runners. As we can look at the market cap, Malt has reached 120 million around, right? It was pretty low. Boom, suddenly went on a crazy run with that. Malt is representing the social network where tokens can hang out, AI agents can hang out and discuss with each other. So it's a core Moltbook token, direct play on the rebranded Clawdbot ecosystem. Pretty big spikes, and now, well, bottomed. Possibly it will reverse when the market will get better. As you can see, people were here from 120 million market cap was all-time high. So it was a crazy run in just a few days. Another one, Claunch. So this was the standout leader in the AI launchpad meta on base. So it's an agent-only meme coin launch platform. So no humans allowed. Built on Clanker and Clawdbot tools. So now market cap is around 15 million. The all-time high was 40 million at the first initial spike, but now it's getting back some attention because they're launching more agents, and the agents are coming out. So because of that, the fees are coming back to Claunch. More attention, decent liquidity, 3 million. One which I like a lot, Molten. It's Moltbook related token. It acts as the currency for Moltbook, and it's actually a social. It's a social network, let's say a hub for AI agents. Now at 3.8 million market cap. Here they can discover and collaborate with each other through this platform which they have here. So it's getting more attention, it's getting pushed around. I think we can see these levels of 5.5, 6 million pretty soon. There was also Cloud, so this is also similar to the previous one. It was an AI agent with a wallet, and it's building on-chain apps, games, and always it's important that these tokens have good developers behind them. So because you bet on the developer that he knows how to create something innovative. And this is a cool chart, only up, as we may say, Antihunter. So AI agent positioned as an agentic crypto VC. So venture capitalist. He wants to has his fund and he's investing in tokens. Trained by Anti-Fund founder Geoffrey Wu. So he's a big VC, big trader. Explosive gains, big volume. Um, Fits the agent economy meta, but leads more into meme attention, right? It's more about just trading, and it's because of the guy behind it who's training it, right? So strong community momentum. So far the trend is up. And there's also Zbot, which is a Clawdbot competitor. Let's say it's built it's a kind of technology which was supposed to be crypto native for Clawdbot. So doing all of your tasks for you, managing your things like OpenClaw, right? And this guy was giving some examples and what's the difference. Who would switch from OpenClaw to Zbot. This is the dev, the builder. Here you have lots of data about him. As you see, pretty strong dev. Got a lot of smart followers, so betting on the dev again. OpenClaw competitor building on Beam. So Zbot at 530k has good potentials as well. But as you know, this is all pretty narratives are pretty short lasting, so depends on how the market will act, if the liquidity will still be coming into base. As you see, it's on the second place in volume, getting good bids, but this may change quickly. So till it lasts, good to try trade some tokens. I gave you a list of the interesting ones, but I'm sure you can look deeper and find a couple more which have big potential. So if the market will reverse, pretty sure many of these will perform well and bring a couple X's to people who find a good entry. Okay, so that's it. I also dropping a couple of more AI agent tokens in my Telegram channel, so make sure to join me there, and also posting regularly on my X about what I trade and how I see the market. So I hope to see you there soon. Peace. That's it for today.